everyone, welcome. My name is Cathie and this is Make It with Mod Podge, where we have a new Mod Podge project to share with you every single week. Today we are focusing on our beloved teachers, and I am going to show you how you make this no-sew teacher apron. Look how cute this is with pockets. Now, of course, since it's teacher, I'm using all this adorable school and teacher themed fabrics, and I'm attaching all of it using Fabric Mod Podge. These are going to be washable, they're going to be durable for the school year. These are so cute to make, so let's dive right into this craft. I'm using a store-bought apron for this. This is a waist style and Fabric Mod Podge. 100% cotton works best for this. Look at those great pockets, and these aprons come with strings also. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep out my apron by ironing it and measuring that front panel. And then I'm going to tear my fabric to a piece that will fit that front panel with a little bit of extra on each side for hemming. So I've got about a 1/2 inch hem there. I'm just ironing that over. We're gonna glue that down with the Fabric Mod Podge. So I'm doing about a 1/2 inch on each side piece. Now I do tear my fabric because that creates a nice straight edge, but you can cut it with scissors if you want. And you can see I'm just using my iron to put that crease in, and then I will use the Fabric Mod Podge to glue that down. So let's go ahead and fold back all of our sides that we want to have a little hem on and get that pressed down. Now I'm going to miter the corners by folding the center in and then folding each edge on top of it. Now I'm going to use the Fabric Mod Podge to glue down those corners and to glue down those side and bottom hems. I'm just pressing, and then I'm going to let that settle for about 20 minutes. Once that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the Fabric Mod Podge to that bottom panel of the apron. And you can see I'm just going right up to the top of that bottom panel, and that's where all the pockets are. And then I'm just layering my fabric on top of there and smoothing with my fingers. Really, once you get it down, all of those wrinkles will just smooth out. Then just peel that back and keep adding your Mod Podge until the entire front panel has the fabric attached to it. Then I'm going to let this dry for a couple of hours just to make sure it's really good and secure. And then I want to add that cute trim to the bottom. And I'm using the same Fabric Mod Podge to attach the trim. But first I'm going to glue a little bit there and fold that back so that we have a nice finished edge. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add the Fabric Mod Podge to the top section of that rickrack trim. This is jumbo rickrack trim, and I'm only gluing the top section down because I want that bottom section to overhang on the apron. Now you don't have to add trims. To me, this is just makes it a fun little bit more of a kid teacher look for the classroom. Just glue that down, and then you're gonna let this dry and cure definitely overnight, but I would give it a few days before you can hand wash in cold. These hold up really well. You can also top coat with another layer of Fabric Mod Podge, and that will make it even more durable and wipeable. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Make sure you use those hashtags PlaidCrafts and Mod Podge so that we can see what you're making. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.